Most people say, yes, we need to get out as soon as possible, but it must be done in a responsible way. I first should emphasize that I'm a political independent. I became very concerned in the summer of 2002 that we were marching toward one of the great blunders of history. They predicted it would only cost $2 billion to rebuild Iraq, and the oil money from Iraq would pay for it. Well, look, the best estimates now is it's going to cost us $2 trillion. This document is well-reasoned. It provides a broad framework for getting out responsibly